I'm ABC 15 data analyst Garrett Archer, and I'm taking you inside the numbers on the respiratory virus season and what the trends look like going forward. But first, the New Year's ball drop also signals the end of many people's vacations, where many people went somewhere other than Arizona. So did you spend your holiday in a flu hotspot? According to the CDC's data, if you went to Oregon or Louisiana, the answer is most definitely yes. Influenza-like illness activity in those states are very high, but they're also very high throughout the entire West Coast and Sun Belt. The activity is much lower in most of the Midwest and Northeast. Arizona is classified as having high activity, and we are flanked by California and New Mexico, both classified as very high. So let's look at that activity, but not just the flu, also COVID and RSV. Since the start of the season in late September, flu and RSV cases are trending up, with flu cases surpassing COVID-19 early in December. RSV only very recently started trending up, and case numbers are typically much lower compared to flu and COVID-19. A reminder that this is all hospital surveillance data, so what we're looking at are the most severe cases. So it's important to focus on the trends, since less severe cases will follow these trends, but there are exponentially more of them. And based on those averages, this is where the three respiratory viruses are likely headed. Flu cases right now are more than double the season average, but should now start trending down. RSV cases are lower than the average and should also start trending down. Obviously, COVID-19 cases are significantly lower than the average, which still includes pandemic era figures, but we still have a few weeks of an upswing of cases there because they typically peak in late January. Finally, one more virus is seeing an upswing this year, and that's the norovirus. The CDC tracks this nationally, and outbreaks in early December were more than double what they typically are. And as the data fills in, expect this one to increase as well. With a look inside the numbers, I'm Garrett Archer, ABC 15, Arizona.